What's going on YouTube? Tony here back again. This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now I picked this phone up on Google Fi for $599. It was $600 off since I'm currently a Google Fi subscriber. So I was able to get it for $600 off. And not only that, but this is the 512 gigabyte version. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing. You guys probably seen tons of these. If you guys are interested in my Hot Wheels collection in the background and you guys want to see some cars, drop a comment down below. It's a little hobby that I picked up recently, but yeah, I really enjoy collecting these Hot Wheel cars. And this is the quick unboxing. Gonna go ahead and pull this tab right here, which brings the phone out, and then you can see there Google Fi, little pamphlet, Google Fi, and that is about it. So we got the Google Fi pamphlet, and put that over, and then we have the phone. There is nothing in the box. There's no cables. Hold on, there is cables. Cables are on the other half of the box here. Cables, there should be cables in here. I don't need them. Yeah, they're the cables and some more quick start guide. And then we got the phone, the green color one. I got the green color one. Comes with this little paper sleeve, whatever you want to call it. And then we have the green. Quick unboxing. I'm going to come back later with some good videos on this particular device. Ooh, very nice. We'll go ahead and power it on, and we'll come back with some more videos on this bad boy. But stay tuned, man. I'm super excited. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see some Hot Wheels. We out. Beautiful phone. Ooh, stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of videos.